Hello, fellow crafters and paper artisans. It's Chandra with Stock and Stuff. I am here to share a project share, my first one of November. And if you watch my channel, you may have remembered that I was playing around with some election gifts. Had my Serious Matter Girl and my different vote stuff that I had from Charlie Crafts. Well, I finally landed on something. And so what I did was an election day essentials gift. And thanks to Lynn, the gift diva, I have been using ChatGPT for poetry. Did my Halloween tags, and so I decided to do this. So I actually I actually made the request by ChatGPT three or four times, so I could get different poems so I could see which one I liked, and then I massaged them a little once I got decided on which one. So the one that I ended up using, it says it's this one. It says, in this pack, a little cheer for all the joys and some of the fear, positivity to brew bright thoughts at dawn, a sip of good hope as we carry on. Tissues for tears should results be too much to bear, with love and care a reminder for prayer. Hand sanitizer to keep germs at bay, and vitamin C for a healthy election day. A nail file to steady those anxious swift bites as results start to roll in through long hopeful nights. Hand cream for wringing, a balm for your hands to soothe every moment as tension expands. Stress tea for dreaming to calm your sweet night, so sleep comes with ease wrapped in soft light. A notepad to tally to keep track of scores as we cheer for our sister to open doors. It's a serious matter, our hearts boldly say, with prayers for her journey, come what may. So take these small gifts, each token, each thought, with love in the air and the hope that you sought. Together we stand through the highs and the lows. For change and for progress, our spirit still grows. Excuse me, I'm struggling with my eyes this morning. Anyway, so this is what I made. I made some in pink. I did the 10 for 3 paper at Joann's, about 10 pink, 10 green. And so I ended up putting my girls on the front, and you saw that I cut that last time, and then I had some tiny little pink ivy leaves in my a little Ziploc bag in my stash. I put them on one of those spray dyes, and I did a little hand sanitizer, and there's got a different poem on hand sanitizer to keep you clean, a healthy heart for the world unseen. And I love these because I can make them this little envelope, but I buy these little Purell singles at Walgreens in a pack of 18. So I did that, and I'm just going to take it all out and put it all back in. And then I did Tea Pocket. So this one, a cup of positivity to start your way, brightening moments on this voting day. Stress tea to sip for peaceful night's sleep. Let worries dissolve as your dreams gently leap. So because I did poems, so many different ones, I just used them again, used some of the others. And then this is one of my stamps, and I just stamped the front, put ivy leaf on the front. And then I had bought some Kamala stickers from Temu, I think. And so there was just a hodgepodge, like it was like 100 or something stickers. So I sorted them all out. So some were vice president, and some were just like my sword is Kamala, or my sword is, Kamala Harris is my sword type of thing. So I gave everybody one of the VP ones and one of the ones that say that Kamala's a sorority sister. And by the way, I made 20 of these and I sent them out across the country to different people. And then I bought these vitamin C lozenges from CVS, and I put 4 in a pack, and I just it was random. I just had this size bag, and I just cut paper and then see how many would fit comfortably in this little pack. And it says, stay healthy and strong with a heart full of cheer, fuel your spirit, let hope persevere. And then let's see, did I have anything else in this front pocket? And then I bought these little tissue packs from Amazon. Always Pray and Never Give Up. And I bought them, one, because they were pink and green, because I had a different one, but then when I saw the one about prayer, I got that one. So then Tissue for Tears, If They Should Fall, For Hope and Dreams We Give Our All. And then I saw this, oh, and I had the person's name. I'll put it in the description box and the link. And so she had this double, she had used, it was a UK video, and she had used 2 different size nail files. But I had bought these little hand creams from Temu, and I wanted to use that. So, and they're pomegranate moisturizing hand cream. And then I had these little files in my stash, so I used those up to get rid of them. And then she just left hers, I think, and then I ended up backing mine on a piece of heavy cardstock, and then I just put a half piece here for the top. And then it says, a nail file for those anxious moments as results roll in with all their components. Hand cream to soothe those wringing hands, together in hope, united we stand. And then I did my ivy leaf and my vote. And then I did, because I was doing different colors, I just popped the stars from another color and backed it on a white circle using a punch. So that's what I decided to do. I've contemplated over it all month. So I not only shared it with some of my chapter members, but also my line sisters who I'm going to see this weekend. And then, like I said, I mailed some across the country. So thanks for holding on and waiting to see what I was going to do with those projects. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.